Welcome to Data Africa YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about Hushpuppi, Woodberry, and Toke Makinwa. And the news, has actually been, raging about Hushpuppi, and his arrest in Dubai, allegedly with his fraud, you know, bank transfers and all that. So Hushpuppi hires another top-rated lawyer in California. So Ramon Abbas, a.k.a. Hushpuppi, has gotten another lawyer to represent him in California. Hushpuppi's lawyer, Gal Pissetzky, who is only licensed to practice in Chicago, will now be supported by Vicky Bobrisky of Andres Bobrisky Law Firm in Los Angeles. The law firm specializes in representing individuals of both state and federal criminal matters, as well as companies and individuals in administrative and in-house investigations. Pissetzky had applied to appear pro hac vice on behalf of the alleged fraudster in California on July 22nd, with an attestation letter from the attorney registration and the disciplinary commission of the Supreme Court in Illinois, Chicago. Premium Times reported that Mrs. Bobrisky was hired as the local counsel to work with Mr. Pissetzky after Justice Pedro V. Castillo of the U.S. Court in California granted the Chicago lawyer's pro hack vice request. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to this YouTube channel for more trending updates. And according to Kemi Olugnoyo, she's saying that Hushpuppi, just he should, agree that he's guilty. So in her statement, she said Hushpuppi was caught red-handed and he is now in witness protection program. FBI traced millions of dollars straight to his bank account. Best thing is for him to plead guilty. Investigative journalist Kemi Olunloye. And these are her shocking revelations about Hushpuppi. Then up to Woodberry, Hushpuppi's good friend. In my previous video, I actually posted that Woodberry's case was actually dropped. And from the update, it's been learned that Woodberry has, you know, 8 charges still left to face, in the U.S., legal, courts. But it was just one of his charges that was dropped, So I mean, it's just what it is. I know some are actually planning for a welcome party for him, but the bad news that was being shared by, investigative journalist Kemi Olunloye, about the other charges remaining for Woodbury. I know some of his fans, some of his friends and well wishers ain't happy with the news. So TK, and I think she calls herself TK baby or whatever thing, or forever young. So Toke Makinwa, we recall she bought the Banana Island mansion, I think that was sometime last year. So there is an issue now, and that same house is being confiscated by AMCON. And if we know AMCON is Asset Management, I think Corporation of Nigeria. And so Toke Makinwa's Banana Island mansion allegedly confiscated by AMCON. Media personality Toke Makinwa has allegedly lost possession of her Banana Island house to Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria, AMCON. The revelation was made by Gist Merchant blog on Instagram, which alleged that Toke's house was given to her by her sugar daddy. Okay. Lagos-based oil and gas businessman Dr. Festus Padey, whose total indebtedness to AMCON is about or is over 240 billion naira. Recall that AMCON seized the assets of Padey's Pan Ocean Oil Corporation Nigeria Limited, its affiliates companies and other properties over an unpaid 240 billion loan debt. Coincidentally, about a month ago, Toke Makinwa disclosed that she had purchased her dream house, Banana Line House, at a young age of 35, and that's not about a month ago now. And fans expected something fishy about her owning such an expensive house. Of course, they should because, I mean, that house was worth some hundreds of millions. And sometime back, Father's kids called out Toke Makinwa telling her to leave their father alone, that he was lavishly spending too much on her. And I'll make sure to hit the subscribe button for more updates.